Hi, my name is Waqas Salam, and I have overall 8 plus hands-on experience in human resource management with different companies located all across the globe. So let me start from my overall professional summary. I do have. Let me start from my expertise, the areas in which I am hands-on. I do have expertise in HR, business strategy, planning and staffing, policies and procedures, employee retention, engagements, compensation benefits, performance management, learning and development, people development and management, service level agreements, and these all other HR related stuff. Okay, let me start from my overall experience. Currently, I'm working with Talent to Hire. Talent to Hire is basically a staffing firm whose head office is actually located in Oakville, Canada, and it actually deals in staffing solutions for different IT companies all across the globe. So I joined Talent to Hire in August 2017, and I'm still working with them remotely. So, talking about my overall job responsibilities associated with Talent to Hire, I'm heading a team of five recruiters who are located in different parts of the world. They are actually assisting me in placing candidates for different IT related positions. Apart from that, my overall responsibilities include that I am the single point of contact for the hiring managers on all assigned requisitions and collaborates with managers and appropriate internal team members to ensure that adequate sourcing and screening support is provided. I actually perform intake call with the hiring managers on assigned requisitions. I actually seeks to clarify the position specifically. What are the ingredients of the position and uh, basically what kind of resource they are looking for. Then coming towards for suppose if there's a opening from our client that they are looking for a front end developer, right? What we do is that we source candidates from different platforms. Usually, I used my LinkedIn account. I use my LinkedIn Premium account in order to source candidates across different locations, right? Once I realized that this candidate profile actually fits the bill, I forward that candidate profile uh, for the initial screening. We do like the phone screening of the candidate. Then, if we believe that the candidate has good communication or excellent communication skills, then we move that candidate to the screening test phase. Screening tests are actually designed by the technical managers, which actually gauge the actual expertise of the candidates in an effective and efficient way. So, in the screening test, these are designed in such a way that actually it reflects the actual job which is actually required by the client. So if the candidate achieves the passing test score, usually we set a test score of like 50% for the screening test. Then we move the candidate to the final HR interview. We will then conduct the final HR interview, and after qualifying him, that if the candidate is available for a full-time position or for a part-time position, and what are his overall availability for this role, and how much he's serious in doing that job. After finalizing this, we actually then forward those candidates directly to the client in order to be interviewed by them. Then onwards, we send them offers so that we can close this position as soon as we can. Talking about my expertise, I have closed a number of IT positions, which includes front end developers, like iOS developer, Android developer, senior creative managers. Then coming towards senior Java developers, digital marketing experts, and a number of profiles relating to the IT field, especially. So, talking about the tools for human resource information system, we are using Breeze HR, and for making outbound calls, I'm using Zoiper. that I have access to make like calls anywhere and any part of the world with the help of my Zoiper account. And for internal team communications, we use Slack, and we have like all official email accounts. And then coming towards like the payment stuff, for payment we use like e-wallet. So this is how all it works. Okay, before joining Talent to Hire, I was working with Rockwell Group of Companies as a assistant manager human resources. I joined Rockwell in August 2016 and I left in June 2017. Talking about my overall responsibilities at Rockwell Group, I was involved in making policies and procedures according to the labor laws of Pakistan. I have successfully implemented the provident fund policy, the leave policy. I have introduced the applicant tracking system over there. I have successfully updated database of employees and their dependents for medical insurance and these type of stuff. Right. Then coming towards my recruitment function at Rockwell, I have successfully closed like Angular developers position, UI UX designers position, quality assurance executives, Laravel developer, business development executives, and many more. Okay, before joining Rockwell Group, I was working with Data Focal Innovations. Data Focal Innovations is basically a US based firm whose head office is actually located in United States. They are working directly with the US federal government. Talking about my overall job responsibilities with Data Focal, I was working as a senior human resources executive. I was catering the complete human resources department over there, including like recruitment and selection, compensation and benefits, career planning, organization development, performance management, HR practices, learning and training, employee engagement, and these type of stuff. Apart from my these responsibilities, talking about my recruitment function, I have successfully closed the positions like project coordinator, or you can say scrum master, business development executives, technical support executives, quality assurance associates, Java and iOS developer. Okay, before joining Data Focal Innovations, I was associated with Alliance Communication. It was a Canada-based firm whose actually core business is in the BPO industry, business process outsourcing. So I was working with them from September 2010 till May 2014 as an assistant human resources. And my job responsibilities include like I am assisting the human resources manager over there, developing standard operating procedures, performance management, and these all HR related tasks I was performing with them. Okay, so this is a brief overview of my overall professional experience which I have gained so far. Then coming towards my education background, I have completed my Masters in Human Resource Management from Ikra University, Islamabad, with first division in year 2010. And previously, I have completed my bachelor's in business administration in year 2008, and with, exactly in first division. Okay, now coming towards the other portion of this interview, that how I think that I am fit for this role. I'm quite confident that the expertise or the skill set which I have are actually enough, or you can say my profile fits the bill for the position of human resources coordinator. And as I have seen, like this position is also a remote position, right? And I'm quite confident that as my previous experience, or right now I'm currently working as a remote senior talent acquisition specialist with Talent to Hire. It's almost same what I am currently doing and what are the ingredients of the human resources coordinator position included in it. So I'm quite confident that I perform, if I get this opportunity, I perform my level best in order to achieve the KPIs, in order to achieve the targeted goals. and I'll try my level best to add some more value to the existing system in it. Thank you so much. That's all from my side. Looking forward for interview call from you.